Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2023 Chrysler Voyager. You can see it's got the key fob here, can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. We've got a brand new rear entry conversion back here, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. So again, I pinch and I flip. These clamps are a great design to help keep these ramps from rattling. And check it out, I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. Tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. Now it's 34 inches wide. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out of the van in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. So we got more ground clearance for rougher terrain, getting over rougher terrain, and then more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. Got your 800-pound weight capacity, you got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then 56 once you're inside the van. You got the deep cut, and these deep cuts on these Chryslers are about a foot longer than both the Toyota and the Dodge. So if you're looking to haul two chairs at a time and want that extra length, want to haul a longer gurney, these Chryslers might be the answer for you. And you can see it's got the 8 tie-down points in here to get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. It's got the upgraded Q strains in there. We throw those in at no charge to you. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to the Q strains. We throw them in no charge to you. And check it out, we've even got the gurney kit already installed in here. So if you do want to use it for non-emergency medical transport, you've got your gurney kit all set up. And if you don't want that gurney, it can be pulled out in a matter of seconds with those screws. So this can go from gurney kit to wheelchair back and forth in a matter of about 30 seconds. So it allows you a lot of flexibility to run your business the way you want, and if you want it for personal use, obviously we'll pull that out of there. It's got the flip base seats in it. So what this does, to operate the seats, we got to put the seat down. So I'm going to pull it here. It'll move quick on you, so you might want to use 2 hands on it, and then we pull it forward here and then pull the seat towards us. So once you get it started, it just folds up easily. So in a matter of seconds, you can have both flip seats out of the way, used for gurney function only. So again, flexibility is nice. Got your rear air controls, got your Q-strength tie down and warranty information there. Got your stretcher kit there. Plenty of cup holders for, got 4 of them up here. Got all your plug-ins for your electronics, dual climate control, rear air. Got your backup camera there. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. You can operate all the power doors up here as well. And we got everybody secure. Come back out, just reverse the process, and you're ready to roll. We got 3-year unlimited mile warranty on this conversion. Check it out, one finger. Now competition is going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do, and that's fine. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are going to tell you no warranty at all. A lot of them are going to tell you 1 year, 12,000 miles. A lot of them are going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. You compare those numbers to our 3 years unlimited miles. You tell me who has the better built conversion. Got tinted windows, alloy wheels. The tires have about 19,000 miles on them like the rest of the van. I believe they're about 830 seconds on them, so got some good tread left on them. As you can see as I do my walk around here, hard to find a dent or a scratch in this van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it is very clean, very well taken care of. I personally hand select, as the owner of this company, hand select every single one of these vehicles. And I often, you hear me say $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair van, sometimes even more. And I know if it's on the internet, sounds too good to be true, it probably is, but let me explain myself. How we do that, we have one central location. We're here in Wichita, Kansas. For those of you that don't know where Wichita, Kansas is, we're right in the middle of the country. That allows me to do shipping north, south, east, west. Doesn't matter, I can do it very affordably, so I can offer free shipping with a shipping brokerage that I started to save more money. And like I said, we have one location. So I want you to imagine the facilities out there. Our competition has 10 locations, 40 locations, 100 locations. I want you to imagine all their overhead with not only rent, employees, insurance, all that stuff. And I've got myself and 6 full-time employees being super productive. We don't sit around and talk around the around the water cooler. We don't have celebratory lunches all the time. We're not here doing corporate waste. We're here working every single day to give you the best prices in the country. So it's not some magic formula. It's simply low overhead. That's how I save you $5,000 to $10,000 per van, sometimes even more. So please compare our prices. And no matter who you buy from, be sure to get a video of the VIN number. And why I say that, a lot of people on Facebook Marketplace, they're the worst, but there's scammers all over the internet. They'll take a picture of our vans and try and sell them to you. You know, a van they don't even have in their possession. So how you determine that Hey, my name is Jeremiah Coleman. I got this van right here in my possession. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I couldn't do that if I was scamming you and I didn't have this van here. Get a video of that VIN number. It's very, very hard to duplicate that. Don't get scammed. Get you a video of the VIN. What we do with that VIN number, on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it, you can see Carfax shows one owner, no accidents or damage, formerly a rental vehicle. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rentals. Now, I would agree if it's a sports car, probably means it's been driven pretty hard. I don't think too many people rent a minivan to hot rod it. I think it means highway miles. That's a good thing. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents, perfect report card. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, no open recalls. It shows the vehicle went into service January 19th, 2023, so it meets the specs to be under the full bumper-to-bumper warranty until January 19th, 2026, or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first, and meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Dodge Chrysler until January 19th, 2028, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay, 1,555 transactions. 100% positive feedback. All those transactions left us positive feedback. I say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Make sure they have plenty of reviews, and look at their reviews. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time. They tell me about horror stories they dealt with. They end up dealing with a private individual in the general public, where they end up dealing with a dealer that's 1 and 2, 3 stars here. 1, 2, and 3 instead of our 5-star reviews like 4.8 like we have. They end up buying vehicles that are stolen. Yes, there are people selling stolen vehicles. They end up buying a vehicle with salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't aware of, major mechanical issues. So if you want, 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences and those same type of vans, go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years now, I look forward to working with you. Alright, another great feature about this van, we got the remote start, so when you hit the button there, it fires right up. If you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the summer months, or you want to come out to a nice heated-up vehicle with the heated steering wheel and heated seats ready to go, you've got that option. Now, we do have the one key fob here. We can get additional key fobs made on your dime if you choose. Black cloth interior, got your power driver's seat. You can see that works great. Another feature I liked about this van is the push-button start. So if the key is in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to fish it out. You just put your foot on the brake, push the button. All the dummy lights work, and the van fires right up. Now you can see it has 19,231 miles. Got a backup camera here. Great for safety. Sorry about that, had to take a phone call, but back to the interior. If you ever want to use the van for non-emergency medical transport, there's a button right there. You can make these doors manual sliding doors. Time is money. Open them up quicker and shut them quick. And just want to show you the second row of seats and the rest of the interior back here. It's very clean. I'll start the van back up. I had to turn it off while I was in on my phone call. Yeah, I showed you the backup camera already, but I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We tested all the power mirrors and windows, and I'm going to show you those working and moving here. Test the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Check the tires, taking these on a road test. Replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we don't just run these through the car wash like most dealerships and throw them on the lot and just assume they're okay. They go through a very thorough inspection in our 20,000 square foot warehouse before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. You'll see very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any rust. From being up north in the Rust Belt, or rust or water damage, no signs of rust or water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 19,000 miles on it, they assume it's never been in a bad accident. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a flood. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. I tell you what, folks, there's brand new car dealerships, today that are underwater. Brand new cars are susceptible to flooding, so don't be fooled. And what I want you to do is go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's another dealer. But what I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a Carfax report so I can say I'm getting a vehicle with a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? If they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage. You can see no water damage under here, no bent metal from an accident that was put back together cheaply. And do they take pictures and video of the roof? You have no idea how many vehicles I see at auction with bad hail damage on the roof, and no one ever fixed it because no one ever looks there. Guess who looks there? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. I go on this overpass down here, I crawl up on a ledge, get about 10 feet in the air, and I take pictures of the roof, and I'm fixing the video of the roof as well. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are, and showing you the exact vehicle you're going to get, please compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual and they don't get you a title for it. Well, what happens if you end up buying a van that's got frame damage, whether it be from an accident or a flood, and it won't pass inspection in your state? In both those cases, and many more cases, if that happens to you, you bought a vehicle you can't register and therefore you can't drive. To avoid that pitfall and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a tool set off Amazon for $100. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. I tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of my videos. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yep, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I pay that up front because Carfax is the most thorough vehicle inspection there are out there. Do not settle for some cheap knockoff. Demand a Carfax report. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and their reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Do your due diligence. Find out who's on the other end of that phone, on the other end of that computer, and then finally demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, we already have the bumper-to-bumper warranty on the van, specs for the bumper-to-bumper warranty, one of the best conversion warranties in the business. And here I am up on top of the roof. No damage up here, no hail damage, no big dents, nothing like that. So demand that warranty. Do not risk buying as is. We make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. We stand behind our products. So let's get her out for a test drive. Final portion of the video, I like to get the vans on the highway so you can hear them run. By the way, I park the vans down here, I crawl up on this ledge. That's how I get pictures of the roof of the vehicle. So go the extra mile for you. But I want to give it some gas here. Give the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Voyager home. We've done our due diligence, make sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles, no problems whatsoever. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, runs and drives like a brand new van. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good, and do keep in mind, we have the factory spec for the bumper-to-bumper warranty still, and the conversion warranty, but we do sell long-term warranties that go as far as 8 years, factory type warranties. So if you're interested in hearing how you can protect your investment, very affordable, long-term, talk to me about it. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, what they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they've got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all their hidden fees and the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about hidden fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. Showed you, like I said, it's got the heated seats and heated steering wheel. Awesome to have in the wintertime. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake here, and you'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call or a text, and to be honest with you, text is probably the best way to get a hold of us. Phone goes crazy all day, every day, but if you need to make a phone call, we will do our best to answer it or call you back as soon as we can. But that number is 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to reach out to me, call or text to my cell phone. Now, I challenge you to ask the competition, are they dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner? Or do you have to call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman. who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Chrysler whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, shoot us a call, shoot us a text, let us know you need some help. We'll take one over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. If you do want to come in to visit us, we would love that. We've got 4 different locations here in town, so you must have an appointment with us. We stay super busy. Let us get all the vans you're looking for in the right location. Call me, text me, make that appointment. We value your time. We don't want to miss you, so be sure to set that up, okay? And if you made it, like I said, it's a long video. I know if you made it to the end, thanks for hanging in there. But I know it's a major purchase, so I'm trying to be as thorough as possible. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this of every van, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of each van, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today and have yourself a wonderful day.